They said work hard and you'll be fine. So you worked. Early mornings, late nights, tired eyes, quiet sacrifices. You skipped meals, skipped rest, skipped moments because survival came first. But somewhere along the way, hard work stopped meaning security and started meaning just getting by. Because the rent kept rising faster than your payslip ever could. Because the bills didn't care how tired you were and the system didn't care how hard you tried. They told you to budget better while billionaires moved money across borders like it was invisible, like it didn't count. They told you to save while taking half your wage. And still, they call it a level playing field. But how is it level? When one side starts with inheritance, connections, safety nets that never break, and the other starts with pressure, debt, and a fear of falling that never leaves. They say the rich earned it, but ignore the head starts. They say the poor should try harder, but ignore the barriers. And maybe that's the point. Because if you believe it's your fault, you won't question the system. If you blame yourself, you won't ask who built the rules. So tell me, is it really about effort? Or is it about who the system was built for?